Morning everybody, Standard 8, Subject Social Science, Chapter 1, Arrival of Europeans in India। ये चैप्टर आपका एक्सप्लेन हो गया। मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में आपको 3 क्वेश्चंस भी करवा दिए। अभी नेक्स्ट इसके जो क्वेश्चन आंसर है वो मैं आपको करवाऊंगी, जो आपको करने हैं। ठीक है। ड्राफ्ट हेडलाइंस फॉर द न्यूज़पेपर पब्लिश फ्रॉम ब्रिटेन एंड पटना विथ रेफरेंसेस टू द रिपोर्ट printed on the Battle of Plassey at the death of Sirajuddaulah. When the Battle of Plassey was fought, newspapers did not exist, but if at all they exited, the following could be the headlines of the newspapers published, one from Britain and the other from Patna. Headlines in British newspaper. Timber of England over prosperous country in India, thousands of miles away they got possession of Bengal region. Headline in Patna newspaper, tragic end of rule of Mughal king from over Bengal region and beginning of the British rule. नेक्स्ट आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस हैं जो मैं आज आपको करवाऊंगी, वो आपको करने हैं। ठीक है। Why did the Europeans feel the need to discover a new sea route to India? In ancient time, trading went on by sea route and land route between Indian and European countries. Though Khyber Pass, Arabian traders, businessmen carried Indian goods like cotton cloth, muslin, spices, cinnamon and clothes, etc. to Europe. But Turkey Muslims won over Constantinople and entrance to Europe. Therefore, land route was forbidden. The things from India stopped reaching Europe. The trading by sea route through the Red Sea, and though the Arabian Sea stopped, European people could not do without Indian goods. Things, therefore, they were compelled to find new sea route. Next question number 2. Who were the first and last Europeans to arrive in India? Answer है Vasco da Gama. In Portuguese sailor found out of a sea route to arrive in India. Therefore, in 1500, the Portuguese arrived in India. Then in 1608, the Britishers arrived in 1664. The French arrived, and the last Dutch people of Holland arrived in India for trading business. Next question 3. Between whom was the Battle of Plassey fought? What were its results? The Battle of Plassey was fought between the Nawab of Bengal, Sirajuddaulah, and the Britishers. In this battle, the Britishers lured the commander Mirzafar of Sirajuddaulah army by offering him a position of Nawab, and took him on their side. The most trusted commander Mirzafar turned to be treacherous. Sirajuddaulah was caught and put to death. In his place, Mirzafar was made Nawab. From this battle, the Britishers got the land of 24 provinces as reward for the beginning of the rule of East India Company. This was a significant incident. With this incident, the history of India changed. Why did Battle of Buzar occur? What was its result? After the Battle of Plassey, the company made Mirzafar the Nawab of Bengal, but the company wanted such a man as would act on their signals intention. Therefore, they dethroned him and put his son-in-law Mir Qasim in his places. Mir Qasim made plans to increase revenue. He removed octroi duty and offered Hindu traders equal rights as the British traders were enjoying. Therefore, the Britishers decided to deter him, and in 1764 there took place the Battle of Buzar, in which the Britishers defeated Mir Qasim and once again made Mirzapur the Nawab of Bengal. How did the Portuguese rule come to an end? In the beginning of the 17th century, the trading of the Portuguese in Bengal increased. At that time, Mughal king Shahjahan was on the throne of Delhi. In Bengal, his Subha complained to Shahjahan about the behavior of the Portuguese. As a result, following the order of Shahjahan, their chief center of Hooghly was devastated and the ships were turned to ashes. Thus there came an end of the Portuguese. ये आपके क्वेश्चन आंसर हो गए। ये आपको यहाँ से आपको क्लास वर्क की बुक में और होमवर्क की बुक में लिखना है। Thank you.